everybody, welcome back to the farm here. Today is hay baling day. You can see behind me we got one load done. We're getting ready to hook on to another empty wagon and keep going at it. So sun's still shining, I got a lot of baling to go. So enjoy the video and I'll catch you at the end. Guys, that's it. We're done for today. Baling. I got 10% battery life left, so I'll whip through this here pretty quick. Baler did good. We didn't miss any bales. I had put one new part on it, and I was going to put two, part of the nodder system, but one of them that came was wrong. So when I get the right part, I'm going to go over a couple of minor repairs that I did to the baler, what it was doing, what I replaced, and so far so good. So we'll go over that in a future video when I get the correct part. But all of our wagons are loaded up. We got this one here, and a bunch over there. We ended up with, what did we get here today? From the home farm, 608 bales we got today. So not a bad day for just getting things started. A lot of these fields are smaller, so we end up a lot of turning around, a lot of switching fields, so that all that takes time. So and I'm mostly a one-man operation here. I got to rake all the hay first before I can bale it up on baling day, so that usually takes me quite a few hours to get that done. I do have a video coming up about something that I'm building to help make the raking go faster, so stay tuned for that video. And I got to worry about unloading this hay now. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the little bit of footage I got today. Was kind of nice this last field. My youngest rode with me a little bit like I used to when I was a little kid on my neighbor's farm. I spent a lot of time up there as a kid, and I think that's where a lot of the passion for farming comes from, kind of growing up on a farm, even though I didn't live on it, you know. But he was getting a kick out of watching the bales kick out of the back into the wagon. So you probably saw that in the footage. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Just a small family farm here, doing the best we can. My wife and kids are out picking up a few bales. That I filled these wagons so full that sometimes the bales flop off the top. So they're going around with our gator picking those up. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit the subscribe and the thumbs up. Don't forget the bell icon for future videos. Like I said, we got some repair videos, kind of a surprise small fabrication project on some rake stuff. So stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.